Linking your bank account to Capital Bank NA is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Visit the Capital Bank NA website. Go to the official Capital Bank NA website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any security issues. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and personal information. Step 4. Select linked bank accounts. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required details for the bank account you wish to link, including the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit the form. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your bank account has been linked successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital Bank NA customer support for assistance.